What will be the future of pharmacy? The pharmacy profession is at a turning point. On the one hand, chemists face numerous obstacles, such as the rise of automation, the increasing complexity of drugs, and the rising demand for patient care. There are several chances for chemists to increase their position in the healthcare system and make a significant difference in people's lives. So, what will the future of pharmacy look like? Here are a few trends that are expected to shape the profession in the coming years. Automation's ascent. Technology is already having a significant impact on the pharmacy profession, and this trend is expected to increase in the future. Robots are already employed to deliver medications, and they will only get more sophisticated in the coming years. This means that chemists will need to be able to adapt to new technologies and figure out how to exploit them to their advantage. The rising complexity of drugs. The pharmaceutical business is continually creating new and more sophisticated treatments. This means that chemists will require a thorough understanding of these medications in order to give safe and effective care to patients. They will also need to be able to present this information to patients in a clear and understandable manner. The increasing demand for patient care. As the population ages, so will the need for patient care. This means that chemists will need to be able to provide more complete care to patients, including drug management, counseling, and illness management. They will also need to be able to collaborate more closely with other healthcare professionals in order to create a more seamless patient experience. Can robots replace chemists? Some believe that robots will ultimately replace chemists. This is unlikely to happen in the near future. Robots are good at dispensing pharmaceuticals but not as effective as chemists at providing patient care. Pharmacists have the knowledge, abilities, and expertise to assess patients' requirements, answer their concerns, and offer them personalized care. What is the fastest expanding area of pharmacy? Medication management is the fastest expanding sector of pharmacy. This covers services like pharmaceutical reconciliation, medication therapy management, and chronic disease management. These services are in high demand because they can improve patient outcomes while also lowering healthcare expenditures. The future of pharmacy is promising. Pharmacists are particularly suited to deliver complete patient care, and they are well positioned to assume leadership roles in the healthcare system. As the profession evolves, chemists will need to be adaptive, informed, and sensitive. They will also need to be willing to accept new technologies and identify ways to use them to improve patient care. Do chemists have a bright future? Yes, chemists have a bright future. The profession faces significant problems, but there are also numerous chances for chemists to extend their position in the healthcare system. Pharmacists will be in high demand as the population ages and the need for medical care develops. Where will pharmacies go in the future? Pharmacy is going to become more patient-centered. Pharmacists will devote more time to direct patient care, such as medication management and counseling. They will also collaborate more closely with other healthcare providers in order to deliver a more seamless patient experience. What is the future of pharmacy in the next 10 years? Over the next 10 years, pharmacy will become increasingly technologically advanced. Robots will dispense medications, and chemists will employ technology to provide medical care. Pharmacists will also play a larger role in the research and development of novel pharmaceuticals.